Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to use dual connection for your headphones JBL Tune 570. And right here we have the first device connected with the headphones, and second, do not. So firstly, we need to turn on these headphones. At the bottom of the right ear cup we have power button. You need to press and hold this power button, and we just turn on it. Now we should see that it connected with the headphones. Here we go, we have connection. After that, open settings on your second device and go to connected devices. If you have Android, click pair new device. If you have iOS, you just enter Bluetooth, and then we need to press and hold at the same time multifunctional button and volume up button until this LED light near to the power button start blinking. So I just press and hold it. Here we go. And now we can see these headphones at the device list on the second device, and we just tap on it and then click pair. And now, as you can see, we have two devices connected with the headphones, this iPhone and Pixel. So we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.